Question 5. In the diagram on the right, O is the center of circle with radius 9 cm. So this is 9 cm. Minor arc AB subtends at an angle of 140. So this is 140 at the center, and tangents at A and B meet at C. So they are saying A and B are tangents and they meet at C. Tangents means they will be 90 degrees. Okay, this angle will be 90 degrees. Right. Find AC in cm. So we want to find this length in cm. So the easiest thing to do is first we divide it by 2, make it into a triangle. Okay. So if you make it into a triangle, this now becomes 70 degrees. And this is our hypotenuse. So this will be our opposite and this will be our adjacent. Okay, because if this is your angle, this one must be opposite. The longest line will be the hypotenuse and this one will be adjacent. Okay, so now we have the adjacent, which is 9 cm. We want to find opposite. So O and A is related by tangent. So we say tangent theta is O over A. So we have the theta is 70 degrees, opposite is AC, adjacent is 9 cm. So AC is 9, tangent 70. .73 cm. Okay, make sure your calculator is in degrees, not radians, because all this will give different values. Okay, so if you're using the white color Casio, you check on top there if it's D, R or G. If it's not in D, then you have to change to degrees. How to change? You press shift menu, angle unit, then you choose degrees. Okay, so we got AC. AC is 24.73. Right. Next, B. The area of kite-shaped OACB. So now we want to find the area of this whole thing. OACB, this whole kite. Okay. So we never really learned the formula for kite, but we've learned the formula for triangle. And we know it's the same triangle on both sides. So we find one area, we can double it to find the whole kite. Right, let's find area of triangle. So area of triangle is 1 over 2 AB sine C. So here we have angle C. Therefore this will be A and this will be B. But we only have this length. We don't have this length yet. So now we have to find. Okay, actually it's not that hard because this is a right angle triangle. You want to find hypotenuse. Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so let's do Pythagoras theorem first. A square plus B square equals to C square. So our C is always the hypotenuse. Therefore A and B can be 9 square and 24.73 square. So C will be the square root of 9 square plus 24.73 square. 26.317 cm. Right. So this is actually OC. Now we can find area of triangle. 1 over 2 AB sine C. So A is 9. B is 26.317 times, this one we delete sine 70. So this is one triangle, right? So what we do, you want to find the whole kite, we times this whole thing by 2. One over 2 times 9 times 26.317 times sine 70 times 2. So So we get 223.026 cm square. Next, see the area of the minor sector OAB. Okay, minor sector OAB is this area. Major sector OAB will be this one. Okay, so we need to find this area now. So formula for area of sector is 1 over 2 r square theta. But you must make sure your theta must always be in radians. Right. So radius of this sector is 9. So 9 square. Theta we have, but it's in degrees. So since we are finding the whole sector, we must take the whole angle 140. So what we do, we change this to degrees, radians. So to change to radians, we divide it by 180 times pi. Put inside calculator. 140 over 180 times pi. So we get 98.96 cm square. That's the area of the minor sector. D. To find the area of shaded region, we need to do this whole kite minus this sector. So conveniently, we have the area of the whole kite and we have the area of minor sector. So just now the area of whole kite was 223.02 and minor sector was 98.96. So to find the shaded region, you just minus the kite with the minor sector. So you can say area of shaded region is 223.03 minus 98.96. One to 4.07. Okay, so in exam, right, some questions they will skip the B and C. They will not give you this one. They will straight away ask you to find the area of shaded region. So you have to know, you must find the kite by yourself, and then you must find the sector by yourself, and you minus these two off to get this region. Okay, this is quite a popular question. They like to ask like this for this chapter lah. Okay, so this one is quite guided, but in exam not all questions are guided like this. Okay, right, that's it.